What is going on, everybody? I'm Pranav, aka Pappy Money Gamer 2, and today I'm starting a coding video. So today, guys, I'm gonna teach you about the tuples of Python. Okay. So if you're so tuples are similar to lists in Python. So there are differences between tuples are similar to lists in Python, basically. Now the common ones are, I think, coordinates. I'm typing coordinates, and then put an equal sign, and I'm gonna put any coordinate, like 3, then 5, yeah. And then I'm going to print this, and there's actually like a position. There's actually an index position of these numbers. So 3 is in the 0 position. Wait a minute. Okay. So 0 is in the. So 3 is in the 0 position, and 5 is in the 1 position. So if I do these coordinates. Okay. And then I'm gonna put with square brackets. Was it square brackets, and I'm gonna put 0. So then I think it will like print out 3. Yeah, so it prints out 3 right there. And if I do it with 1, that will print out 5. Okay, if I go here, yes. So this will print out 5. Now the only difference between like a tuple and a list in Python, in the Python programming language, is that like in lists you can change and modify the lists in Python, but in the tuples in Python you cannot change anything. So if you create a tuple, it doesn't change anything. Now if I do like this coordinates, and then if I do this, and then 1, and then if I do this, it like equals to something else, let's say 10. This is gonna give us an error. Yeah, so this is gonna give us an error. It says tuple objective does not support the item assignment because it says it's immutable. Okay. So because like if you like change like the tuple, it's gonna give an error for that's like immutable or not. Now if you wanna now you can create like a tunnel of tuples. Like right here. So I need to put like a square bracket. If I were to go here, square bracket, and I can do this. I can say 4, 6 up. I can do 10 and then 40, and I can also do 80 and then 90. And last but not least, put a square bracket. Okay. So if you want to create like a tunnel of tuples, you have to use lists all the time. With like in lists you have to use square brackets, but in tuple you have to use circular brackets. Now if I print this out, so yeah, so it's like, so no, wait, let me just go here, let me space it out, yeah, okay. So now this is gonna be a difference. Whichever puts on the 0 has to like pick on these, like right here. So if I do on 0, this will like print out 3 and 5. And if I do 1, it's gonna do print out 4 and 6. Now if I do 2, Then it's gonna print out 10 and 40. Then if I put 3, then it's gonna print out 80 and then 90. So if you want to create something, if you want to create like this thing where it doesn't have to be changed, then tuples is gonna be the way to go. That was a quick Python tuples lesson, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah.